If your boiler's stopped working during a cold snap, it's worth checking your condensate pipe to see if it's frozen. This is a really simple job to fix, and it's actually something you can do yourself to save shelling out on getting a heating engineer round. Your condensate pipe will usually be outside your house, running directly into a drain. If this gets blocked with ice, your boiler will automatically shut down as a safety precaution. This can be a really common problem in the winter, but if your frozen condensate pipe is on the ground floor, this is usually a simple fix. To fix it yourself, locate the pipe. It's the white pipe that comes out of the wall behind your boiler and runs directly into a drain. A large chunk of this pipe runs internally before exiting the home, which is good practice as it means it's less likely to freeze. If you don't have one, then you don't have a condensing boiler, and you'll need to get a heating engineer round. Boil a kettle and leave it to cool for 10 or 15 minutes. You want the water to be warm, but not boiling. Pour the water over the pipe to melt the ice, starting at the top of the pipe and working your way down. Then you can reset your boiler. It should now be working as normal. If you find your condensate pipe freezing regularly, you might want to consider installing a thicker pipe with insulation. Head to the Which website for more useful boiler advice and see which boiler brands we recommend.